Hey, it's Joe from Machinery Partner. Today we're here with Charlie from US Pride Products, who is going to talk to us about how to service and maintain your HF-100 mini cone splitter, including how to change the gear oil and how to replace the cone tip. But before we start, don't forget to like the video and subscribe to the Machinery Partner YouTube channel by clicking the red subscribe button below. That way you won't miss out on any of the how-tos, customer case studies, and machine review videos. So let's jump right into the service and maintenance points of the HF-100 Mini.
When your HF-100 Mini arrives, your tip will be bolted on the back side of the frame. Simply remove this retaining bolt. This bolt is no longer needed or used. It's only for shipping purposes. So those three things are now garbage. And then simply install the tip in the cone. The tip bolts are specific for our cone splitters. It is a 5-inch grade 8 bolt cut off to 4 inches so the threads are out of the shear zone. Simply slide the tip in, insert the bolt, put the nut on, and you don't have to use Loctite on this nut. You can just snug it up with a wrench, and that's plenty tight enough. The wood pulp and sap will glue that bolt in no time. That's all you gotta do. The hydraulic hoses are coiled up and tied to the machine. Your hydraulic quick disconnects are gonna be on the hoses or tied to the hoses. There is not Loctite on these when we ship them because you may wanna reverse these two fittings for the direction of flow on your machine. So we suggest you take these back off, put a little bit of thread lock on there, and then reinstall them once you know which direction you want the machine to turn. The unit already comes filled with gear oil, so there's no other setup other than putting the tip on and hooking it up. For removal of the old tip, when you change your tips out, it sometimes is necessary to take the cone off the gearbox, and you can put a 1-inch bar, 1.5-inch bar inside here and drive the tip out from the inside out because they do get glued in with tree sap and sawdust. So you can remove the cross bolt that holds the tip in. The tip stays engaged in the cone. Remove the cone and go inside and punch it from the inside out. Maintenance on the HF-100 Mini is simply changing the gearbox oil out. We have a drain port here and we have a small fill port over here. So after 50 hours of operation, you want to change your gearbox oil out, and then every 500 hours of operation thereafter. We use a 75/90 synthetic gear oil in our gearboxes. The drain, just pull this plug and the small port up here to let air back into the gearbox. Let it drain out, and then we're going to put in 17 ounces of 75/90 synthetic gear oil, and you can put this plug back in and pour that through the small fill port on the side here. And that is really the only maintenance for the HF-100 Mini. When your machine arrives, you're going to find a serial number tag on the front left side of the quick attach bracket. The top number is your serial number of your machine. You'll need this for filling out your warranty card.